This week's recipe is meatballs. So you will combine half a pound of ground beef, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 3/4 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, and half a large egg. So in order to half an egg, you will crack your egg and whisk it, and then you will measure out 2 tablespoons. You also need 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of water. You will use your hands to mix, so you want to make sure that they're clean and dry before you mix. Then you will want to add the water slowly, and you just want to mix until everything is combined, because if you overmix your meatballs, they will become tough. You will use a medium cookie scoop and place your meatballs on a baking sheet. And if you don't have a cookie scoop, you could just use a spoon. For the sauce, while your meatballs are in the oven, you will add crushed tomatoes, garlic powder, salt, sugar, and Italian season on the stove. Cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally. I hope you enjoy your meatball recipe.